Inaprobohan na ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang rekomendasyon ng National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council na magdeklara ng State of National Calamity kasunod ang pananalasa ng Bagyong Tino. Narito ang pahayag ni Pangulong Marcos.
We are continuing our relief and support for those who were hit by Typhoon Tino, but we are also doing everything that we can para ma-anticipate at makapaghanda tayo ng mabuti dito naman sa parating na Typhoon Uwan. Because of the scope of, shall we say, problem areas that has been hit by Tino and will be hit by Uwan, there was a proposal from the NDRMC, which I approved, that we will declare a national calamity.